Hello everyone, this is Divesh Goyal, a practicing company secretary from Delhi. In this video, we are going to discuss about the latest amendment made by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs by issue a notification on the 27th October 2023. This amendment is relating to the provision of the beneficial owner. As we know, these days Ministry of Corporate Affairs is very much strict about the provision relating to the beneficial owner and significant beneficial owner. In recently, couple of months back, Ministry of Corporate Affairs have issued notice to almost 2,000 companies for delay in filing of the Band 2, that is for the significant beneficial owner. Although the amendment which we are going to discuss today is not relating to the SBO, it is relating to the beneficial owner under section 89 read with rule 9 of the company's management and administration rule. As per this new amendment, the ministry have added some new sub rules in rule 9. As per this new amendment, every company on which the provision of the beneficial owner under section 89 is applicable shall designate one person. That person will be responsible to provide the information to the registrar of company as and when required by the registrar of company in relation to the beneficial interest in the shares of the company. So company इस person को designate करेगी जो ROC की help करेगा, ROC को information provide करने पे जब भी ROC मांगेगा regarding कि कौन है company का beneficial owner, किसका interest है company के shares में. So the question arises, who can be designated as a designated person under this rule? Number one, if a company is having a company secretary, if a company is having a whole-time company secretary as an employment in the company, then company can designate that company secretary as a designated person. Company cannot designate a PCS. Second, if company does not have company secretary, then company can then designate a key managerial personnel of the company. Like key managerial person means like MD, WTD, CEO, CFO. Now, a company is not having a company secretary and also not having a key manager personnel. Then every director of the company shall be designated as a designated person under this rule. Now the question arises, how to designate? See, practically the ministry has not provided any process for designate any person. So as general, as a profession, we can say company can pass a resolution in their board meeting and can designate the person as a designated person under these new rules. And once we will designate, how we will inform to the ROC? Practically, ROC has not given a form which companies have to file right now after designation of a person. ROC, the new rule have simply said, as per sub rule 7, every company shall inform the detail of the designated person in annual return, that is MGT 7. So every company has already filed the MGT 7 for the financial year ended 31st March 2023. So definitely ministry is going to amend the format of the MGT 7 for the next year. So next year in the MGT 7 or 7A, companies have to inform the name of the designated person to the ROC. But there is one more provision. What are the compliances if a company change the designated person? There may be a situation today company have designated some person as a designated person, but later on that person resign and new person has joined company, want to designate that person now. So whenever there is any change in the designated person, company have to file GNL2 with the registrar of companies. So now there is a one more point. Until unless company is not designated any person by passing of the resolution as a designated person under this rule, then the company secretary shall be considered as designated person. If there is no company secretary, automatically the key managerial personnel, every key managerial person shall be considered as a designated person. If there is no KMP, then every director automatically shall be considered as a designated person. Although there are the two questions are remained in this notification on which ministry definitely should come with a clarification. Number one, if company designate any person today as a designated person, which form company have to file? There is nothing mentioned about the same in this rule. Second, as per sub rule 5, every director shall be considered as a designated person if there is no CS and KMP. Whether instead of every director, whether company can designate one director as a designated person, this is not clarified anywhere in the circular. So please share your views on these two questions in the comment box. And if you have any question, any query, please mention in the comment box. We will try our best to answer your queries. If you like the video, please click on the subscribe button and like button and share the link of videos with your professional colleagues so that everyone can take the benefit from this video. Thank you so much.